In this quick lesson, I'm going to show you how to easily load a new set of fonts in Doodly. Doodly is what I use for my whiteboard animation effect. But it's not just a whiteboard, it's also a green chalkboard, blackboard, any color board, and glassboard. It has that writing hand effect you see in some very popular YouTube videos. I use it sometimes for my intros and outros.
Let's do it.
Lucky person, you got the number right, cause you are talking to kid a dynamite! Dynamite!
I just love JJ's passion. Okay, so we just head on to Doodly, go to the text tab, click on the plus button, and browse files to find our file if we already have it. But if we don't, we can go to our source where we can find some fonts, and we can go to Google Fonts. And I've selected one, Patrick Hand SC. It's a nice kind of handwriting type of font, and you just download it into your system. Locate the fonts you downloaded. All you have to do is just drag it into that browse files window. There it is, Patrick Hand, and it's as simple as that. Now we can see it on the left hand side, and we can use our new fonts, our Patrick Hand SC regular, in Doodly. And that's how you quickly add fonts to your Doodly whiteboard software. And that concludes this video. May long life, fortune, and the force be with you. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success. Thank you.